Hello guys, so today we're going to be showing, unboxing and reviewing this phone called the S21 Ultra 5G Galaxy, and I'm going to show you a review of how it works. So I'm going to unbox it right now. Be careful with scissors, kids. Anyway, so I got the box open. Here's a quick show of the box. Yep. It says, if you see it, this says Galaxy S21 Ultra. Yep. And it's like, it says 21 S for Samsung maybe. So I'm gonna open it. And here's the phone. It's pretty big. Here's the front panel. And what's really cool about this is like 4 cameras. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe like a flash and a photo camera. So anyway, here's the like front like selfie camera. There's some like cool texture on the back. And I'll just put that down here. And if we like take this out, stuff from the box. Comes with like a care, like paper, like instructions maybe. And if we open this box, comes with a quick start guide, a warranty card, with your normal stuff that normally come with it. And here's the cable. If we take that out, I think it's a USB-C cable. It's right there, USB-C cable. Next to your charger. You can use like a power bank, whatever. You can like check the SIM card out. So here's your SIM ejector. It's like what you put in your phone, like somewhere here on the bottom. These on the side. You like poke it in like one of the holes, and like your SIM card comes out. And that's the unboxing. So let's go to a review. So this is what the overall camera looks like. So clean. So the back of this color is called Phantom Black. So I took out the plastic from here, and this has a glass material which adds no smudges. It's like any other phone that normally adds smudges. And the glass of the back of here is called Gorilla Glass. It's in the front here. And it's really tough. So this phone has 5,000 milliamps of battery with 25 watt fast charging, and it can film at 8K and 4K video quality with a simple 1080p and 720p video quality added on. And it has 4 different cameras, as you can see, with the extra whatever those are. And it doesn't come with any charger in the box, but it does come with a USB-C cable. The overall price of this phone is around 1,300 to 1,900 AUD. So, yeah, it's a bit pricey, but if you think about it, it's worth it with all the different features, including all the battery storage, the camera quality. The phone has, compared to the S20 Ultra, it has 25 more nits of brightness, 50% more better contrast, has 120 Hertz plus quad HD resolution, and it has a better chip. This phone also has 5G, as it says in its name, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. The front and back panel of this phone is almost 80% more resistant to scratches compared to the S20 Ultra. And there are some cons about this. It has no audio blaster on the top. It has no notification LED on the front. And it doesn't have any headphone jack anywhere around the phone. It also doesn't have any charger in the box, which is bad because you cannot charge if this is like the only phone you've bought in your life. There's an extra separate charger that comes in like a separate pack. Yeah, but that costs like more money, like about $50 maybe. It doesn't come with a Galaxy S Pen, but you can buy it separately for around $45 to $60 AED. But there's like this bundle which you can get a silicone case with the S Pen with it, so like you can get an extra case with an S Pen if you want it. That normally costs around like $100. This phone has processor Snapdragon 888, and it has laser autofocus. As some of you might know, the Galaxy S20 Ultra had 100 times zoom. This also has 100 times zoom, but the S20 Ultra didn't have any zoom lock, so in here you can like zoom in more closer, and then it'll quickly lock on the subject you were zooming on. So if I were to zoom in on the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G box, I could just zoom in without it being like not good quality, maybe like only like 480p. The front of the phone, it has a better fingerprint sensor, which is 1.7 times larger than the S21 Ultra, and it has a 108 megapixel camera. So that's all that I have to say about this phone. It's really good. So that's my review of this phone. So thanks for watching. I hope you would like to buy this from any of the shops that sell it, and that's all I have to say about the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Thanks for watching.